Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of my slime collection. Today I'm going to be showing you these slimes. Roll a clip.
My anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hun.
Boy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope, stealing money, he was getting some coins. Was the shootouts with the law, but he lived in a palace. Bought me Alexander McQueen, he was keeping me stylish. Now that's real. Gun in my purse, bitch, I came just to kill. Who wanna go first? I had him push the daffodils. I'm high as hell, I only took a half a pill. I'm on some dumb shit. By the way, what he say?
Okay, so back to me. So, the first one I'm going to review is this blue sparkly one. I made it with clear glue. It's like super pretty. I did have a purple sparkly one, but it can get like ruined because I had to put it in. I put it in water because it was sticking to my hands and it would not get off at all. I tried and I tried and I tried. It would not get off. This one's also good for making the swirls. So I'm gonna make one real quick. Just connect that back together. So I'm going to poke it. Look at all these are like little amounts of slime. I didn't have that much ingredients and I wanted to make as much slime, different slimes as possible. So on to the next slime. The next I'm going to show you is this green slime. It's kind of like sticky. It's like not juggly, luckily. It's pretty stretchy, but I don't want to stretch it too much because, like the pink one, if I stretch it too much, it starts to get thin and will break off stretching. Not like if you just do that. Because if you pull it with enough force, you can rip a piece off, rip it apart. So I'm going to do some slime poking. Oopsie. This will come off. You just gotta play with it. So, to the next one. Not yet, but yeah. So. To the next one. What is this one? So this one, see how it is in the container right now? Well, if I take it out, it will stay in that position. See, there was some like little like clear pieces that I didn't really see. So yeah, and it was like so thin that's how I couldn't see it. So yeah, so this is it. It's kind of stretchy, it's not stretchy. Never mind about the kind of thing, but it's not stretchy. This makes very much sand when you poke it. It was made with clear glue. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to roll a clip of all the slimes that I have interviewed. So roll the clip. Gotta pause this. Gotta pause it. BTW. I haven't made the clip yet, so I'm going to, because that's why you need to pause it.
Is the warm like an oven. Your kiss is sugary sweet. Your fingers feel like cotton when you put your arms around me. I feel like I'm just missing something whenever you leave. You got all the ingredients except you loving me. And respectfully, I'm not a piece of cake for you to just discard while you walk away with the frosting on my heart. So I'm taking back what's mine. You miss a slice of heaven that I gave to you last night. You smell just like vanilla. You taste like buttercream. You're filling up my senses with empty calories.